Hello. In this demo, we will show Txcontact's powerful CTI integration capabilities. Txcontact is a complete contact center solution with various features. Today we will look at how Txcontact is integrated with Zoho CRM. TX Smart Queue is the administrative console for management, configuration, and routing of call channels. Once you click on the TX Smart Queue button here, you will be redirected to the Smart Queue login screen. You can log in with various different options. For this demo, we will log in using an administrator login. This menu here is where you will find your profile information, along with various other important dashboards to manage TX Smart Queue. Let's now go to Administration, and then click on Manage to activate the Zoho integration. Here you can see the status is currently inactive. Click on Manage to configure the Zoho phone bridge. Select which data center you would like to use, and then click Get User Code. You see here a verification URL and a user code pops up. Zoho uses two-factor authentication. Click the URL and then log in using an active Zoho account. Next, enter the user code generated before on this screen. Now Txcontact has been approved by Zoho. The next step is to click the Get Refresh Token button. On this page, you can enable or disable the integration. So we are now enabling Zoho's integration with Txcontact. We have now enabled the integration, and you will see all the Txcontact users listed here. The status shown here represents whether the click-to-call or call control functionality has been enabled for the user. Let's enable debug now. Next, we are logging into the CRM screen. See here that the click-to-call functionality has been enabled. To map an agent to a user, click on the User Agent Map button. Now you can see that this agent ID has been mapped with this Zoho user. Next, we will launch Chirp, which is Txcontact's soft phone. Log in using the mapped agent ID. And now we are in Chirp's main screen. Next, we will need to change the login state from offline to login in order to make calls. On outbound is used when making outbound calls. We will now go through both scenarios showing inbound and outbound calls. First, let's demonstrate click-to-call, calling 9413. The call has now been established. Some call information is displayed here. DTMF is also supported. We will now end the call by clicking this button. Now let's try an incoming call. This dialog box that popped up is from Chirp, which, depending on your requirements, can be disabled. Here a call is coming in and we will answer it. And now end it. Again, some basic call functionalities are built in right here. Now let's take a look at reports. Let's take a look at the reports for calls that were made today. 2 calls occurred, 1 outbound and 1 inbound. And by clicking on a particular call, you will get more details about the call. Thank you for watching this demo on Txcontact's CTI integration with Zoho CRM.